you can use different meters, but let me show you how I am going to draw this one. So the first thing what you are going to do, just this is 80 mm base and this one is 54. So this 54 dimension is just the same as from here to here. Just remember this one. Then what you are going to do, I'll start from the center and I'll go to the counterclockwise direction, clockwise direction. So let me start from here. Just remember ortho on. Just start from here. Then this is the center point. This is the center line. So 40 units to the left. I'll go 40 units. Then after that, just I'll go how much units. This one is just its thickness 10 units. So 10 units up. Then after 10 units, I'll move. I'll come to the right side again. As I said, this one is 54 units. 54 means 80 minus 54. It will be 26, right? 26 divided by 2. It will be 13 units. So 13 units to the right again. Then after that, now I am here. That means I am here now. Then after that, this is 65 units. But we already at the 10 units up. So that means 65 minus 10. It will be 55 units. Then 55 units up. Then after 55, just we'll find the center of this circle. So to find that one, how much units we have to go? This is 54. 54 divided by 2, it will be 27 units. So 27 units just to this direction. After 27 units, just what you are going to do. Now this is the center of this circle. You let us move like how much units? 65 plus 55 will be 120, right? 65 plus 55. So that means if we move 55 units, we'll find the center of this circle, the top one, this circle. So let us move 55 units up. Then this is the center of that circle. Then after that, let us put it just like this, exit. Then after, we can draw this circle. The center of this circle, center diameter, 32 units it is given. So let us draw 32 units diameter circle. Then the outer circle, it is 27 units. Go to circle again, radius, because this one is radius, 27 units. 27, right? We draw this 27. Then at the top, we'll go and we'll draw this 26 units. The diameter, it is diameter given, so 26. Right, 26 diameter circle. Then after that, this one, there is another circle with after 28 units from the center of this circle. So let us offset. Go here, offset distance. You have to give the offset distance. How much units? 28 units. Then let us offset this line up 26 units. Yeah, here. Now using this point as a center, we have to draw this circle. This circle there are three circles with diameter of 14. 1, 2, 3. So with diameter 14 units, we have to draw another circle here, right? 14 units. So we draw the third circle. Then after that, what we are going to do, there is another circle here, another circle. This circle is how much distance from the center? This is 54. That means 27 units to the left. So let us go 27 units here, from here to this side, 27 units. Then here we'll draw another circle with center, diameter, with radius of 14 units, right? 14. Then after drawing this, there is the outer circle, right? 22 and 13 units. This one is 13 and this one is 22 units. We'll draw another circles with radius. So circle radius, let us draw here just how much? 22 units like this. And let us draw another radius with radius of 13 units just like this. 13 units like this. Then after drawing this one, what we are going to do? So we have to draw another circle with radius of 16. Otherwise, we can use also 10 radius to draw another circle. So let us go here. So let us go here and turn radius. Then what is the first tangent point? This one. Second tangent point, this one. And radius, how much? This is radius 16. We have to give 16 units radius. So as this shown here, we draw another circle with 16 mm radius. Then next, what we are going to do, just let us extend this line like this. Extend this line like this, and also you can go here and extend, use command, this one. You can extend this one just like this. Then after that, you can trim this side just like this. You can trim this side and remove the portions that we not required. Here one thing is there, just what you are going to do here, there is radius of 9. We have to offset this area with radius of 9. So you have to go for fillet command, then fillet radius, you have to choose there, and you have to give 9, right? 9 mm radius 9. Then after that, click here, click there. So this is 9 units. Then after that, trim what is not required. This one is not required, and this is not required, right? Can trim the portions that we don't want. Then you can trim this one also like this. Then here also we don't need this part. This part must be empty. And here also like this, and here also like this, right? Then this one is also not required. Then what you are going to do, go to mirror command and choose what you are going to mirror, all the object, then enter. Then you have to specify the mirror center here and here. And erase source object, no. Now we created the object. You can trim unwanted regions like this one, and this one. Yeah, just like this. You see, now we created almost major portions. Then what we need, this portion, we have to create this portion. To create this one, this is it has 8 mmd width. So what we are going to do, let us offset this one, offset to the left 4 units, to the right 4 units, so just 4. Then let us offset to the left 4, to the right 4 units. Then this one, it is 15 units from the base, so let us offset this one 15 units up, and then let us offset this one again 20 units up, like this, 20 units, right, up. Then after that, let us trim this portion like this portion, and go to extend, and let us extend this one like this, extend this one like this. Then again go to trim and trim this portion, so you can remove this one also. Now this one is a rectangular part. Then the last one, you have to go for this radius of 8. You have to go for fillet command here, fillet, and you have to choose fillet radius 8 units. So go to fillet command, fillet, and fillet radius. You have to choose 8 units, And as just shown here, this portion is has 8 mm radius, so you have to choose this one and this one. Again, enter and go here and trim this one. So this is all about the object. You can choose this one and let us move it somewhere else. Just move a bit like this. Then after that, we can give dimensions.